Good day, everyone. Welcome to another segment of Online iCode Tutor. Now, we have this question under vector. Now, when you are being given this particular question, how will you go about it? Now, we are given that BA, that is vector BA equals A minus B, and BC equals 2A plus 3B, where A equals 2I plus 3J, and B equals 3I minus 2J. Now, we have to find AC. Now, solution. Now, from what you have been given here, look at it that we are given vector BA and vector BC. That means that we are having vectors that are moving from A to C. That means that we have vector A. Let's do it in this form. Vector A, B, and C. That means that we are having a vector that are moving from A to C. Now, there's what we call an additional vector. In addition of vectors, it will be A plus AB, let's say AB plus BC equals AC. Now, how is it like this? Because the vector move from A to B, from B to C. That means that in a way to get the total of the vector, that means that the vector starts from A and end at C. Is that clear now? That's why we have AB plus BC equals what? AC. Now, let's go back to the question. Look at what we have been given. BA equals A minus B. That means that this particular vector move in an opposite direction. In the situation, let's say you have AB. The opposite vectors of AB is BA. That means that it moves in an opposite direction. Now, if this one is positive, the opposite direction will be what? Negative. Now, let's go back to this. We have given BA, and the vector we are having here is AB. Now, what are we going to do? That means that this one, the value of BA is what? A minus B. That means that this one will be minus A minus B. Minus A minus B. You understand me now? That means that this particular negative make it to be what? AB. Is that clear now? Now let's move on. Now BC is 2A plus 3B. BC is 2A plus 3B. Now let's substitute for what we have here. Now our AB, we have minus A minus B plus BC 2A plus 3B equals AC. That is vector AC. Now let's open this bracket. This one will be minus A plus B, because minus times minus is plus 2A plus 3B equals AC. Now minus A plus 2A, that is A, plus B plus 3B, that is 4B equals AC. Now the question now asks us to find what? AC, vector AC, where A is 2I plus 3J and B equals 3 minus 3J and 2J. How will we go? That means that we need to what? Substitute for those values of vector. Our A is 2I plus 3J plus 4 into, what's our B? Our B is 3I minus 2J minus 2J. Now the next thing is what? Open the bracket. This one will be 2I plus 3J plus 4 times 3, 12I minus 4 times 2, that's 8J. Now the next thing is what? Collect like terms. Therefore, our vector AC equals, now 2I plus 12J, that is 14, plus 12I, that is 14I. Now 3J minus 8J, that is what? That is 5. That's minus 5J. Minus 5J. Now that is the values of our what? Our vector AC. In a situation when you are being given something by vectors, that means that just make sure you do it in such a way that will be able to understand the vectors. Just note that the vector is moving from A to what? To C. Now this is the end of this particular solution to this question. Kindly feel free to help us to share, comment, and like this particular video. Thanks.